Awesome. 3 people done. Yeah, if we do 4, 7, 3 will go, it will become 33. It is still bad. Then you do 5, 7. That means index 4 goes out, 6 goes out, it becomes 27. This is a good window. Its size is 3, but your best answer is still 4. Awesome. Yeah, just tally your working is same as what I am writing here. Because it is good, we do expansion 5, 8 and 35. This becomes a bad window. Then we do 6, 8, shrink it. Then fifth index goes out, it becomes 31, still a bad window. We shrink it 7, 8. And when we do 7, 8, it becomes 21. This is a good window. If it is a good window, length is 3, but max answer is still 4. Because it is good, we still expand. So we make it 7 to 9 and we make it 27. This is still a good window. Its answer is 4. No, its answer is 3. Wait, 7, 8 answer was 2. My bad. Yeah, here the answer is 3, but best answer we have is 4. Because window is good, you expand and your E becomes 10. And the moment E becomes 10, that is where you stop. Is your table, my table matching, or you see any difference anywhere? Okay. So this idea in which we are using 2 pointers, start and end, we are expanding or shrinking, we are evaluating good or bad window. What do you think if we do like this, what is the time complexity? Okay, Shankar says n. Vittal says 2n. What about others? Think, are we traversing array only one time? Is there only one loop which is traversing array one time, or array is being traversed twice with 2 variables? See, S will anyways move and stop somewhere, then E will move, then S will move. So total iteration count, Shankar, is it making sense? The total iteration count is going to be n plus n. One n is movement of E, another n is movement of S. We are actually covering array twice. Because when E stops, S moves. When S stops, E moves. Is this point clear, Shankar? How the time is 2n? Okay. Now this idea that you have traced with pen and paper, what I want you to do is with pen and paper only, I want you to convert it into code. And I intentionally want you to write this code in your notebook. Yeah, so this approach that we traced just now in the form of the table. Take some time, think about it, convert this idea to code, see what you did when you moved S, when you moved E. So work on it, code it yourself. Even if there are mistakes, it's okay, but I want you to try genuinely on your own. Write the code, whatever you are able to think and write.